Little storm coming, folks. Pro Trader Mike and the MOJO Day Trading team and the show for today, Thursday, October 6th. It's now 1:05 p.m. The storm's approaching. We've had an amazing trading day. Even though the storm's approaching and the skies are gray, there's some sun shining on the MOJO right now. Right now we have the following. Just move this. Check this out. We have a Sun Edison right here, making an amazing move out of the base that it's in. Mojo's been waiting for this for a very long time, and Mojo's capitalizing, and that's what you see in this. It's a beautiful day for a Sun Edison. So I've been only saying this just for a very long period of time. So when you do your research and you stay patient, you get rewarded. I made a comic about this. Donald Trump, when he brought up solars in the debate, said to Hillary, yeah, the government did pretty well, invested $500 million and lost all that money in the solars, remember? She's like, oh yeah, I remember. He didn't mention it in particular, but the company was Sun Edison. So this is just magnificent. This right here, it's 10.6. Let's see here. What do we see? What do we see? This is what we see right here. So we're going to take this right here and we're going to make a white line, because that's the rocket ship that it's making right here. And this thing is just a takeoff. Kind of looks like the space shuttle. You know what I mean? And we're in like takeoff mode. Flying high, baby. Look at you go. Sunny bird flying high. This is the Sun rocket, even though it's not a rocket. Rocket's more like that. Got a little blast going like that. And this is the Sun Edison rocket, guys. SUNEQ. 1 day chart. This painting, call it number 38, has made MOJO traders $10,000. That's how it works. This was a swing pick from, let's see. Swing pick from, it's been sitting on the launch pad since 9/22. So it was a 9/22 pick. At 50 cents, a little under 50. And now it's 10.6, painting 38, UV, heading to the moon, baby. Where's it going, Alice? To the moon. That's where it's going, Alice. To the moon. Where's the moon? Up here. Let's get a little different color. Hey, I'm not stopping drawing because it's moving. It's liking what I'm doing. And there's the moon. Isn't there like a face in the moon or something like that? Like that. There you go, boys. Look at that. Go, blood. Go, blood. Twitter's 83. You know we're in it. I'm not saying a word. Let it go. Make its move. Let it move. Let it do it. Let it do it. And then we'll go over the Twitter scenario for all you swingers. 9 cents. Beautiful. Go, baby. New high, up 70% on 15 million. Go, go. You guys don't sell one share. Nugget. Account 565. You know it's going to 12 bucks right now for us. I'm going to make you a lot of money. Let me just coach you along the way. UVXY, 94. Here we go, guys. Let me show you what we're in right now. Do you like the painting? You like the painting on the sun? I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see what we got now. So we're at 087. Just traded right there. 10203. 100,000 shares at 0.087. Sun Edison. So we have beautiful trading on Sun Edison. Want to see who owns Sun Edison in here? Let's see. Who owns SUNEQ? Jake, I hope you do, buddy. Because if not, you're a little too busy to be scoring 100% gains like this. Here we go. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Who owns Sun Edison? You ready? Let's see. Five people do, 8 people don't. It's unbelievable. That would have paid for your whole year subscription. We owned it at 0.045 and 5 cents. It's right now at 09. It's up 100% right now. It's up 100%. So let me show you what else we're in right now. We have Sun Edison, we're up 100% now. Twitter, we tapped it. UV's going over 90, it did. Nuggets moving, we're in that, making a fortune. Added it at 55, bought it under 55. And Sun Edison now up 60%. First move of the day. We made all our money in the first trade of the day. Let me show you. Right here, we did a Twitter pre-market long entry at 2072. 2067, added 2075, sequence into 21 at 857, hit 2065, and then sold it pre-market at 2119. Rebought it at 2077, sold 2085 and 95. Then right here, average again 2044, sold into the 2090, rebuy, hit it again at 2050. Twitter moving. I'm down 20. Look, I'm down 30 cents. I'm down 20 cents. Twitter rebuying from the sells into 250 at 225. Rebought under 20. Sold 33. Half left. Nuggets flying. Twitter buy. Okay. added 63, added 76, Twitter average 75, sold half 81, 79, hold the rest, sold 84, 89, holding through Hines, added Nugget, boom, boom, added UV at 1577. Everything's up. Everything. So UVXY is 90, just tapped right here and went up for us to 93. Twitter right now is 70, just went up to us to 87. Beautiful. Let's rebuy the Twitter back that you sold right there. Guys, TWTR, rebuy back from 85 plus sells. It's now 70 and below. Thank you. Sunny Q's 9 cents now. It's up 76.4%. 76.4% at 0.09. Here's what I sent out for the newsletter. If you were in the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter, that you're watching my video right now, and my advice to you was we're going to look to slowly come out of selling half above 8 cents. Just hit 50% profit. And Twitter, we're going to be adding under 1990. We sold it yesterday at 25.15 was the highest sale. And there's the dump on Twitter, down under 1990. And that's what we did there. Let me show you what we've done for the month. Mojo Swing has taken some losses this month, but it's been offset by gains. And here's what we got starting out. Payment data system started out the month with a huge gain and a nice cushion from 260 to 350. Went 290, 310, 350. JetPay, the same thing. 285, 305, high was 318, reversed to 290. PZRX, 285, half sold there, 290, closed the rest. Zynga, 283, sold 290, rebought some of that back. ORIG took some. Jivo, that was, no, this is not, Jivo is even. We didn't make 8. Jivo was sold at 48 cents. This was a typo from this line. BIOS made some nice money. DGAS, 19%. BIOS, 305, 325, 330. Great job. PIP, done, 285. MVIS and these guys, after 86 days and 95 days, we're done with these stocks. I've given them the time. Actually, this one today, IDXG, went up to 21 cents, came up 30%. So you win some, you lose some. That's what happens. That's what happened with Twitter, actually. IDXG is right here. Up 2%. It was up at 16. So you have Sun Edison now at up 76% right now at 16 million in volume. And then you have Sun Edison right here, a 922, bought at 5 cents. Right here. New pick on 922. MOSI, we're up 1%. UVXY, we own at 20. We're doing the covered calls. These were up 28 and 14 on. And Twitter, we own at 2050 now. Nugget, we own at 1170. And Zynga at 295. We sold Twitter yesterday, the call options from 50 cents to $1, $1.30, and reversed back down to $1. 23.80 to 24.80. Then it broke through 25 and reversed, holding a quarter of the position. Rebought back today, and it's sitting right here. Now, what do I think is happening with Twitter? Here. Ooh, look at Sun, 10 cents. Went up 100% today for the Mojo Room. By the way, I just got this email right here. Thanks, Mike, for Sun. I've been beaten down, holding it for a long time. You're the best. Wait, more to come. Are we selling soon? I don't see any movement. No, you do see movement. I've been getting a lot of emails, so that's why I made the video. Send it out for you all to watch. So it's at 095, up 86.6% now. Let me show you. Here we go, Vinco. Making money time. Please hold till $12. Thank you. So Sun Edison right down here is 10 cents now. SUNY Q. This is what we've been waiting a long time on. Let me see if you're in the room. Pro Trader. Let me see who this is. I want to give a special shout out. A couple of you guys have been really patient with the Sun Edison and have now been well rewarded back into it at 10 cents. Congratulations. Nugget is 1164 now, headed up. Please be a little patient, guys. It's going to break that 70 and head back up. Thank you. You know that. I'm guiding you along beautifully. Vinco would no way have added more shares and be sitting with a $314 profit if I'm not caddying for him specifically right now. It's going to turn into a bigger profit for him. And Twitter made some money on that. You're very, very close on the watermark, and a very nice move going to happen on Twitter, hopefully back to 20. So we just bought it again, and I'm making the show, so we always win with the show. And here we go, 097 now on Sun Edison. Okay, 097 on Sun Edison. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So right here, you have look at that. That's evil, Sun Edison. Gobble, gobble, coming in like a monster. 995. Come on, baby. Here goes Twitter. Tweet, 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 tweet. So let me talk to you about Twitter. So I watched some of the message boards, on social media last night. And, people are crying. They can't believe how bad Twitter is because yesterday, it started here. Oh, you know what? Twitter's going to get bought out. Then the next day, all right, look, we got more people looking to buy out Twitter. Ooh, it's spectacular. Twitter's the darling of everything. Trump loves it. They're tweeting. Day 3, there's like 5 companies coming to bid on Twitter. Let me show you. So I did on my Twitter, I'll show you exactly. See, Trump goes with the solars. Remember Hillary? You did with the solars. Soon who? Soon Q. Remember now? Oh yeah. Didn't they go bankrupt or something? Should have been playing with the mojo. There you go. I told you. That's why I made that comic. Let me show you. Who's buying out Twitter? Google. Great. Google. There's the Twitter. Google, Microsoft, and CRM. Well, if you didn't take profit on Twitter at 25.80, up 300% on the option, the market teaches you valuable lessons. Boom. So Google's not making, see this drop in Twitter last night? That's what the market's going to do. Twitter's 80. Yep. Definite stock market manipulation, right, Hillary? Yep. Yep. Right there, a little manipulation. Twitter's down 250. Now it's down $5. There, it was at 22.30 last night, getting destroyed. Where is, I put a list, it must be back here a little bit more. A list of suitors and what they're paying. Twitter will be bought out. Never. Well, I had a list of suitors, and I put them all up and what they were willing to pay and how much money they all had. And it's somewhere on here. Here it is. So CRM has all this cash on hand. Microsoft has the most. Google and Disney. Now there's this site called Recode that came out with an announcement that Google's not really interested in Twitter. But over the last couple of days, and this is at all these prices and whatever, okay? So let me show you. Right here, Twitter. So right here, Microsoft and CRM, Google comes in right here. So Google all of a sudden right here comes in on like the third, because in the original Google wasn't in there. And then all of a sudden these rumors came in that Google is making a bid for Twitter. And it makes sense because they have tweets within the search, as I did in yesterday's video you can watch. Which totally makes sense, and I think it's a great buy. And the stock was trading up above $25 a share. All of a sudden, last night in the after hours, some social media site called Recode comes out with an announcement saying Google's not really interested. It's not from Google, it's from a social media rumor site. That Google's not interested in doing it. So the stock all of a sudden goes from $25 to $19.78, down $5, 20%. Now, let's go back to the daily chart. The stock right here at 21, this is the gap that's going to go refill back up. This tippy top right here is where it's at right now. So what's going to happen is, think of it logically. From last night to right now, nothing has changed with the company of Twitter. It's exactly the same company it was yesterday. That's number one. So let's go through the checklist. So Twitter, number one, is the same company it was yesterday. Twitter is on the auction block. We all know that. That's all they talk about on TV. And we have suitor A, B, C, D, and E. Who knows who they are? Okay. It's the same company. Number two, Google comes in at the end and makes it a $25 stock on a rumor that Google's going to buy them out. Their IPO price is $28. So a good deal would be like a $30 price. So from here, if it was going to happen at 25, I did not want to buy the stock at 25 because it's up from where it is now. Don't want to chase it. We bought it at 22. We made money on the options and the stock, and we sold it at 25 and took profits, which you're supposed to do. Okay? So this was yesterday. If they would have done a buyout today, and Google bought them for $30 a share, the stock would be up $5. So we know it could move $5 up and down, no problem. It did not do that because the rumor, Google backed out. Disney backed out. Disney was never even in the picture. Disney just likes to be Disney, and if it's a big company and there's other big conglomerates talking about buyouts, yeah, I could do it too. I got a lot of cash. Don't forget me, you know. But I'm not really interested. It's a no intention to buy bid. They have no intention to buy. They're just chilling down there. Okay. Then you got these three companies, which have a real serious interest from the get-go in Twitter, which made it do this. These companies are saying right now, you know what? At $25 a share, the value is really not there for me because that 5 points is a lot to give you 30 bucks. But at $20 a share, I can give you 25 where it just was yesterday. Save your ass, make you look like a hero. You know what? Maybe I'll give you IPO price of 28. Save myself $2 because it dumped in one day from 25 to 20. And in the history, you'll look back and say, hey, you remember that Twitter when Microsoft bought them out? Or you remember that Twitter when CRM bought them out and it went from 25 down to 20 and they manipulated it all over the place and it got bought out for IPO price at 28 and it used to be a $70 stock? You'd be like, oh yeah, I remember. So if you're not in it now, you're a fool. Here's what happens. Here's the wave. Are you ready? Watch. Wave up, sold. Wave down, bought. Wave up, sold. Wave down, bought. Wave up, sold. Wave down, bought. Wave up, sold. Down, bought. Up, sold. Down, bought. What do you think is going to happen on the next one? The writing is right here. And here it is. It's going to be a little green bar up here. Oh yeah, rumors back here. Buy out here. Thank you. Game over. Anything it does in here is meaningless. Meaningless. Look what it has done. It went from 20, it went up $1 in a minute. Look what it's done. It went up. Go to the 15-minute chart. Let's show you what it's done. And you tell me what it matters if it moves 2 cents or 3 cents. This bar right here went from $25 to 20, and this is a matter of 3 hours. So that's 5 points. Scroll back. This spike went from 23 over $1, $1 spike. This spike also almost $1. It's nothing. Watch. The stock makes a move here from 23 to 24.25. Went up another $1. 23.60 to 24.20. Here's spikes. Here's another spike. The stock went from 23 to 24.43, a $1.43 move in like 2 cups of coffee. Okay, let's look again. The stock makes a move here from 22.82 to 23, just normal moves, just normal. Go fill back in that gap. Here's a move right here on the open. The stock went from 22.86 to 23.36, 50-cent move. This is before it came real volatile, these many days ago. Here's a drop, 60 cents. No, 40 cents. That was 40 to 70. Yeah, 40 cents. Here's a run from 22.36 to 20, another $1 run. It's going to make a $1 run to 20.71. Be right under $21 and make a plow through just like Nugget did before at 12. And it's going to do it again. Okay? So guys, nothing has changed with the company. Nothing. Just got to be patient. And all of a sudden it's going to go like this. Like it did this morning on 1 million shares. Where was it? Right here. This spike. 8 million shares at 9:30 on 10/6. This bar, 3 million. It's traded 87 million. Bar was 8 million. Stock's going right back to 20. When Nugget gets to 72, 73 like it is right now, it's going to go back to 12. Okay. How do I know? because that's the chart pattern that everyone's going to be getting involved with. It's called the ABCD pattern. Watch. A, B, C, D. Everybody's going to start to buy it about right here. Boom, boom, boom. We're already in it right here. I already know the chart pattern. This pattern right here, blow through on D and E is Heinz 20 bucks. And then it makes a 3-bar run through to 2019, 2020, 2030. That's what it's going to do. So when you watch this video and you see it do exactly what I just said, you can come start to trade with me and forget about charts, because charts don't work, folks. I know what happens 30 minutes before it happens on the chart. Okay? Nugget 70 now. Okay? Same exact thing. A, B, C, D. You're all going to buy it up here. I already got it through Heinz, 12 bucks, making the move. I'm foreseeing the pattern 45 minutes before it happens. That's the power of knowing what stocks do in the level 2. There's a signal right now at 72. 72's gone. Boom, boom, boom. So hope for you.
Yes.
If you don't see what I see, you haven't taken Mojo University. I told you, 72's gone. Now it's going to go 73, 74, 75. Nugget's going to head right back up to 70 right now. Signal at 64. Signal at 64. That's how it works. SUNY Q almost hit 10 cents. It's a beast. Gibson's a good buy down here, believe it or not. We sold it at $5. The stock's 33 cents. We sold it up here. Bought it back here, sold it at $1, and now it's 33, 34 cents. Can you believe that? That's the manipulation of the market. Same thing with the Twitter. If you didn't get it and you didn't sell it up at 25. As soon as the stock hits 80, it's going right to 20. It's going to go to 90. Very fast. Very fast. Okay? As soon as it touches 80, goes boom. Goes boom. We haven't even seen the move on Sun Edison yet. Okay? This is nothing. This move right here in this bar you guys see, Mojo got you in. I like Titleist Pro V1 golf balls. That's what I hit. Titleist, T-E-I, I'll show you. Titleist Pro V1, golfballs.com. See, my guys get me some golf balls as presents. Here's my golf ball, Titleist Pro V1X. You can get them personalized. Put some Mojo on there. Put some SUNEQ, you know, something like that. Thank you. Oh, look, yeah, yo, bro. Yeah, buy some Sun Edison, dude. Here, watch. Buy some SUNEQ. Just kidding. Just kidding. Some Sun Edison. It's funny. Woo-wee! That thing is beautiful. That thing is beautiful. All right, guys. So listen, I got to go hunker down for the Hurricane Matthews coming. My internet may go out for a couple of days. And if it does, we won't have a show tomorrow and the room may not be open. So with that said, you'll all be on your own to do exactly what we do here every day. We're going to unplug it. We're going to keep it safe and call it a day. Because storms are coming, man.
Riders on the storm.
Signal at 73. Signal at 73 on Twitter. Here it goes. Let's just wait a second. I want to see this thing pop. Pop for all my show people. How many people are watching? Oh, nice. Got some nice viewers today. All right, here's the 73 squeeze. Here it goes. Boom, 74. Here's 75. And no hesitating. Nuggets right behind it right now. It's going to do the same exact thing. Your patience is really going to pay off. 75 signal, 76 signal. Lovely. 76 signal. Big monster move coming, 77, 78, 79. I told you. That's Mojo Power. So if you want to learn how to trade exactly like this is the Mojo Power right now. 78, moving right along, 79. Moving right along, signal 79.80. Power move ABCD pattern that I spoke about is coming right up here. Here's the move through 20, bar through 2030, power move coming. Thank you, folks. Great job, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, don't want to give away no more secrets. You want to follow and trade along? You come do that in the Mojo room. Peace. Have a good weekend, everybody.